Hey, Hope, welcome to class today on this Tuesday the 14th. Hope you're doing well today and hope you're ready to learn some more geometry. Okay, here we go. Let's go over your announcements for today. We're going to have a quiz tomorrow, okay? A quiz tomorrow. At this time, please turn in your lesson 9.1 homework and also your chapter 8 test. Okay, now of course, if your chapter 8 test is not turned into Berean yet, that's totally fine. Okay, but be sure and turn that in sometime. And please turn in your 9.1 homework from yesterday. Incomplete, you have none, so you're okay there. Today we will be working on 2 lessons and a mid-chapter review. Alright, here is today's order of events. First of all, I would like you to watch the video called Pythagorean Theorem. It's about 17 minutes long. Next, I want you to work on that homework assignment there. That's lesson 9.2, about 18 minutes long. Next, continuing on with all this wonderful work, of course, I'm sure you're excited. Next, watch the converse of Pythagorean Theorem, okay? About 18 minutes long. Next, watch the homework video there, or at least work on the homework. Use the help video if you need to. And I'm not sure why. By the way, notice you skipped number 26, but I'm not sure why. But there are 2 help videos, okay? Probably because I was in the middle of one and making it a couple years ago and had to stop for whatever reason. So, anyways, there are 2 help videos, so there they are. And actually, that's incorrect. This should say part 1 here. And this one will say, obviously, part 3. Just kidding, part 2. Alright? And there we go. Moving on. Next, after that, sorry about that. Lastly, I want you to work on the mid-chapter review, page 447, numbers 1 through 20. There's the help video. Geometry Track 1, Chapter 9, Mid-Chapter Review, about 27 minutes long. Now, please let me know of any soon upcoming days that you'll be missing class, okay? Please let me know about those. And you did great on your last quiz you took on Saturday. Proud of you. Keep up the great work. A 100%, okay? So good job there. Please don't forget to let me know when you do turn your test into Berean, okay, so I can grade that and get that back to you. And now let's quickly talk about tomorrow's quiz. So, now remember, like usual, some of the information I'm going to give you, you've not taken notes on yet, and some you have. Now, first of all, you have taken notes on this part here already, so open your notebook to Saturday's notes and make note of what I want you to learn for your quiz, okay? First of all, it's pretty obvious what the parts of a right triangle are, but I'm going to quiz you on that, so make sure you can label the parts of a right triangle, alright? Make sure you know Theorem 9.1, okay? I will not make you do the proof of Theorem 9.1 on your quiz, but I might on a test, okay? So, know this Theorem 9.1 for the quiz tomorrow. What else do we have here? Know Theorem 9.2, alright, for your quiz tomorrow. And know Theorem 9.3 for your quiz tomorrow, okay? Now, the next 2 files I'm going to go over, you have not taken notes on yet, okay? Understand that. So, you can watch this later or just make side notes, whatever, okay? First of all, I want you to know for your quiz tomorrow, actually, I do not, I'm sorry, that's wrong. I do not want you to know this theorem. I am not going to quiz you or test you on this theorem. Not sure what I just did, but there we go. You do not have to know that theorem per se, word for word, but of course you do have to know how to use the Pythagorean theorem, but you do not have to know that theorem for the quiz tomorrow. However, for the quiz tomorrow, I'm going to give you some right triangles with either a missing leg or a missing hypotenuse, and you will have to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side, okay? Also, I'm going to give you 3 numbers on the quiz tomorrow, and I will say to you, are those 3 numbers a Pythagorean triple, or are they not? You have to show your work, tell me yes or no, and tell me why. Now you'll learn how to do that in today's notes you're going to take, all right? And in this next file here, you have not taken notes on yet, but again, just pay attention and make note of what I want you to know, okay? You do need to know Theorem 9.5 for your quiz tomorrow, so make sure you know that. Make sure you know Theorem 9.6 for your quiz tomorrow. Make sure you know Theorem 9.7 for your quiz tomorrow. And I'm not going to give you any of these problems here. I was going to, but well, that'll be more for your test than for your quiz, okay? I've tried to talk more during this video. I hope you can understand me. I know my voice is kind of broken up, but anyways, maybe it's better than whispering. Maybe it's maybe it's not. Anyways, moving on. That's all for today, Hope. Please get to work on your notes and homework. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.